If you don't like complicated setups but still want top-notch AV, then Adaero Tech has got your back. Imagine walking into a sleek, modern meeting room where everything just works seamlessly. That's what Adaero Tech brings to your office. We partner with top brands like Sennheiser, Shure and JBL to deliver cutting-edge audio and visual solutions that are as reliable as they are advanced. Need crystal clear microphones? We've got Sennheiser and Shure for that. Want powerful digital signal processors? QSC and Xilica have you covered. Looking for stellar speaker systems? QSC, JBL and Audac are your go-to options. And for interactive flat panels, think Samsung, LG, Panasonic and BenQ. But we don't stop there. Wireless collaboration, Barco and Crestron make it a breeze. Automation, Crestron, QSC and AMX turn complexity into simplicity. Need auto tracking cameras for your conference rooms? Lumens and Aver have you covered. And when it comes to projectors, you can't go wrong with Christie, Barco, Epson, Optoma and digital projection. When you choose Adaero Tech, you're choosing a partner that's committed to enhancing your AV experience. We ensure that every piece of equipment works in perfect harmony, making your investment worth every penny. So, why settle for less when you can have the best? Transform your office with Adaero Tech's state-of-the-art AV solutions. Book a free consultation today and see how we can make your meetings smarter, your presentations sharper, and your workday smoother. Adaero Tech, elevate your office experience.